Excuse me, do you work here? I think my friend is stuck in the bathroom. If there's like another way to open it. He's in this already.
So would you like to try out our new fragrance? It's called Le Shit.
Yeah.
You like it? No, it's from Italy.
No.
We just imported it last night.
Oh, no.
You want it to go?
Oh shit. This can't be good.
Can I get a...